Okay, hello guys. We're in Essaouira. We don't know how to say. We don't know. We're not certain how to say the name of the place. It's about 3 hours from Marrakesh, along the coast on the Atlantic Ocean. And right now we're going into the old city to...
From one of the doors, because there are quite a few of them.
Yeah, there are a few of them. To see a synagogue.
Yes.
And then we'll see another synagogue. And then we'll see another synagogue.
And the coast.
And then we'll go eat fish.
We are not sure, but we think some of the Game of Thrones shots were filmed here.
Yes.
And yesterday was quite impressive, but no light. So today we're gonna film.
This does look a little Game of Thrones-y.
Yeah.
Right? It does look a little Game of Thrones-y, this area here.
Yes, it does.
Okay. So let's go into the gate and we'll see what's happening in there.
Again.
So this place the weather is nice. It's quite humid, but it's not hot. Marrakesh, you cannot leave the house before 5 in the afternoon. But here, the weather is not trying to kill you. It's a cloudy day.
Yes.
Okay, and here we go.
Wow.
The Old Medina. We are in the Old Medina.
Look at this.
So like always, if people will start making faces to us, you'll see more selfie than video, but hopefully they don't care here too much.
Ah, fresh nana.
Huh? We'll get some.
Yes. So marketplace. Ooh, we ate fish yesterday. It was amazing.
And when we eat there again or in a similar place, we'll show it to you.
Yes.
Because it was indeed amazing.
Super fresh.
Super fresh, and we got a mountain of fish. And when I say a mountain, I'm not exaggerating.
No.
It was over a kilo of fish, I think.
Yes.
Fried fish, fresh, beautiful, and it cost us 3 whole euros.
Yes.
3 whole euros, 3.5 whole euros, including a tip.
Yeah. It was an amazing amount of food. And here it's incredible. You can smell the sea everywhere you go, because the city was built just
The only thing is you don't smell the sea, you smell the ocean.
The ocean, sorry. You smell the ocean.
Okay, now the synagogue should be somewhere here. It's never really easy to find the synagogues in Morocco, because I guess they don't really advertise themselves.
Yeah.
But it should be about a minute walk, even less. Yeah, actually we're right on it. Okay guys, so this is the Old Medina. We'll show you more the more we go inside. A lot of woodwork, beautiful woodwork.
Yeah.
And fish and food and everything you want. The prices are quite cheap here. And the people are very nice, just as everywhere in Morocco, right?
Yes.
Okay, so we're going to turn off for now and trying to find the synagogue, and hopefully we'll find it, and then we'll show you, if possible, if we're allowed to shoot inside, we'll show you what it looks like.
Yep.
Okay, guys. So
See
you
soon.